Welcome to another Lux Automotive video. In this video, basically, I'll be painting my sister's 2013 Swift. There's a long story behind this. Basically, my car is wrecked, so she's been out of the island for a little bit. So in order to surprise her, I'm going to be painting this all over with a brand new look, and hopefully she loves it.
So in this clip, basically I'm going around the car, highlighting all the imperfections and areas that we have to pay attention to. So that way when I start working on the car, I will not forget or overlook certain areas, maybe because it's dusty or whatever the case may be. So at this point, we would proceed to removing the left and right tail lights. So these are some of the areas that we have to pay some particular attention to get the panels ready for painting, whether we have to straighten them out or just put a light skim of filler over it. We have to pay attention to these areas.
What's going on, guys? It's day 2. We're back. Basically, we did a lot of the filler work on the car. So the car is currently in here under the tent, ready to prime. Once we prime this, then we're gonna take it out. We're gonna do the full sanding of the car, and then we are basically gonna get it back inside and paint it up. We still have to do some work on the bumper, right? Bumper is not bad. This one we have a little spot that we have to level out, and after that everything is gonna be primed and ready for paint. So we have all the areas that need to be primed or primed up.
So at this point, the car has already been fully prepped, masked, and we have begun the painting process. Some things to note is that the ZRZ, this blue, is a pain in the ass to cover unless it is sitting on a specific dark gray base. Once it's sitting on the dark gray, it covers almost instantly, but anything else, it would really take a while. So guys, after 5 days of blood, sweat and tears, we were able to get my sister's Swift, dented up Swift, into a much better version of itself. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Please let me know in the comments what you look forward to seeing from Lux Automotives, the YouTube channel. Don't be shy, let me know what it is, and thank you for coming all this way. Peace.